Good morning, everyone. Today, we are over here to discuss regarding the career opportunities in the banking sector. To guide all of you, today we are having over here Mr. Ravi Hirve. Mr. Ravi Hirve is currently working as Deputy Manager in the ICICI Bank, Mumbai. He has started his banking career in the year 2016. He started as a freshers from the Axis Bank. His performance in the Axis Bank was really good, so he got a promotion in the HDFC Bank. After the HDFC Bank, he has moved on to the ICICI Bank and currently he is working as a deputy manager. So today he is going to guide all the freshers that what are the career opportunities in the banking sector. Being a banker from the private sector bank, he is going to guide you regarding the career opportunities in the private sector banks. He will guide you that what are the qualifications required to enter into the private sector banking, what are the growth opportunities, what are the leading banks currently in India, what is the salary package, what is the reality currently in the private sector banks. All of that Mr. Ravi Hirve is going to guide you. So I welcome Mr. Ravi Hirve to you, to this platform, and over to you.
Yeah. So good afternoon, guys. First of all, I would like to thank the organizer, Savita ma'am, for inviting me as a guest speaker, and mainly all the career aspirants who have joined this Google Meet for taking the right decision towards their career. I hope this session, career opportunity in banking, will help you to take the decisions at the right time and in the right way. So let's start. Is banking a good career? Yes, it is. You must have read somewhere in your books, banking is the backbone of the economy. Yes, banking is the backbone of the economy. Banks are the institutions that are responsible for driving funds into the economy, which further leads to the development of the country. Today, banking is among the top paying field. This exponential growth of the banking sector will not only ensure a stronger economy, but will continue to open lucrative career avenues for job seekers. Also, with the new banking license regime coming into play, the job scenario is expected to become more lucrative in the times to come. No matter the ongoing changes in the technology and the revolution taking place in the business industry, the only thing that has remained constant over the centuries is having a career in the banking sector. You can consider it's a white collar job. Most of people think finance sector jobs are rather boring. Another popular myth is that most of these careers are meant for people with maths or commerce background. So now, first of all, understand that finance sector is particularly sector is a particularly very vast field that includes financial analysis, finance management, management accountancy, equity sales and share trading, share consultancy, insurance, and so on. And if you choose the area of your interest, it cannot be boring. The best thing about this sector is the scope of becoming consultants. So, in the long run, you don't really work under anyone but create your own niche. Every chartered accountant in turn starts off with a firm and eventually opens his own. Similarly, and equity sales is an area where you can become your own boss when you excel in it. Another good thing about this sector is you can always keep upgrading yourself. So even if you are an MBA in finance, you can do a certificate programs, which will help you to grow further. So we'll be speaking now what are the functions of the banking. Accepting deposits, the bank collects deposits from the public and granting of loans and advances. The bank advances loans to the business community and other members of the public. So banking career will give you a good social standing, high growth sector, competitive compensation, handsome salaries. There will be numerous work opportunities and there will be no limit for promotions. A perfect sector for highly ambitious individuals and professionals. It's a community and public service motive. Everyone completed graduated, everyone completed graduation is welcome as a freshers in the sector. As I said earlier, the banking sectors are the backbone of the economy, and hence they are not affected during the recession period as well. You must have noticed during this COVID period, Most of the other sectors are in stress. Some of them have lost their jobs. Some are getting 50% salary. It will provide you job satisfaction and overall skill development. It's a highly reputed job profile in the eyes of the society. So now I hope all are aware why the banking career is so important, and it will give you a wide growth. So now we'll discuss how to start a career in banking. So choose the right degree in economics or finance. But for entry level, you can go with any stream, bachelor's degree in commerce or science or arts, as I have seen so many from engineering background as well. Prepare and appear for bank exams if you are looking for government banks. Don't worry about banking knowledge. Trainings are conducted by the organization before you go on the floor, and trainings are ongoing every 6 months for enhancing your knowledge, which helps you to work in more effective way. Pursue master's courses for senior level positions. Grab trending diploma certificate in finance or accounting for working professionals, which will help you in enhancing your pay scale. As you can upload your CV on bank's career portal, and campus hiring is also there. You can avail these job opportunities through campus hiring. Then we'll discuss about the pay scale. So salary is the best reason to join any industry. It's true that banking industry offers good remuneration to the employees. Bank also offers added benefits to their employees, like minimum rate of interest on loans. If you want to avail the personal loans, let's say in the market, the rate of interest is going around 14%, 15%. But as you are an employee of the bank, then you can avail this loan at 4%, home loan at a 3 to 5%, car loan at a 4 to 3 to 5%. So it's a very good opportunity. Plus, you'll get medical benefits, pension benefits, and so on. Banking industry has job safety as well as job stability. Profile and pay package of the job depends on the aspirant's educational qualification and experience. Higher one's qualifications and more the experience, the better will be the salary. The starting salary could range between rupees 15K to 20K per month. Plus, you'll getting annual bonuses as well, and literally you will get handsome annual bonuses. But you can earn higher incentives than your salaries if you are in sales role. So in sales role, you just need graduation in any stream if you're looking for entry in sales. So next we'll discussing about the roles in the banking. So there are numerous roles, as I've told you. Banking careers include tellers. In layman's language, it is called as a cashier. So there are other roles such as customer service officer, relationship managers, personal bankers, loan officers, business banking, trade services, wealth advisory. These roles are all in front, which relates to branch banking. And there are certain backend roles as well, which you will get to know once you entered in this banking industry. So now, as your favorite question, all of your favorite question, is banking a stressful job? So yes, guys. Uh, Sometimes working long hours, suffer from inadequate sleep and exhaustion. This job is little stressful, not just in India but all over the world. Try to learn stress management. Then is banking can be boring also sometimes, boring with lots of work pressure, targets in various fields like recovery, deposit, advances, new government schemes. Even senior bank officers feel bored and distressed, but they have no other option but to work. But if you take things in a positive way, believe me, you won't feel any job boring. Then again, there is again your favorite question: is there a sales target? Yes, guys, there is a sales target. To run any business, sales is the important factor. Through sales only, organization can generate income and pay the salaries. In banking sector, you have to get savings and current accounts, as it's a main bread and butter of all the banks. They have to cross sell the products such as credit cards, loans, and investment products such as mutual funds and insurance policies. But don't worry, you'll be trained for that. Then we can speak about what are the skills required in the banking sector. So they must have a strong customer service skills, communication skills, quantitative ability, and more important is confidence and the patience level. And the rest you'll learn automatically, guys. Believe me. Then we'll discuss like some growth opportunities in banking. So now Indian banking is now on a competitive mode. So you will land faster growth opportunities in your career. You get options if you are old in the organization to change your roles within the organization if you're not satisfied with the role, or if you want to grab the other opportunities as well. Banking career has always been a respectable, but now it has also become challenging due to this competitive era. So with this, I am closing my today's session. I wish you all the best for your career. As long as you work hard and have faith in you, no one can stop you to reach your goal. Never step back to take challenges and give your best to win. I wish you all the best, guys. Thank you,
Thank you
Savita
so
ma'am.
much, Mr. Ravi, for this
Yeah,
excellent guidance.
yeah,
I hope that your guidance is
yeah,
going to help them a lot in future.
yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you so
definitely.
much.
Yes, yes.